So it's a beautiful Saturday morning. I just had some me time, some time with the baby, and now it's undecorate with me time. So I do have my Christmas tree up. I don't know how many of you have your Christmas tree still up. This is for the procrastinators that like to leave it up. If you still haven't taken it down, you're still not ready to, that's your business. You can do that if you want. But I'm gonna repurpose this area into a play area for the girls. Here we go. I left this up until I got my packages in the mail to set up the kids' play area. So I'm just showing you some of the decorations I had up. I didn't do anything crazy. I kept it real simple. And this was Christmas morning with all the gifts. Let's clean this up. My house is pretty much decorated with cream, whites, grays, and then I add in pops of color depending on the season that we're in. So here I added some more reds and grays, and I'm going to be removing all of those and then adding colors as we get into spring. So I'm going to be adding some blues and some tans and more creams and peach as we get into springtime. But for right now, we're just going to focus on this area. We're going to remove everything and then repurpose a kids play area here. I'm removing the garlands. I tried to go very simple and cozy with a lot of felt and soft materials. All of these items, these garlands and the sash and the felt items that you see here, I got from Michael's. I got them on sale. They were about 40% off. Usually I like to wait till the end of the holiday season to purchase my items for the following year. But these I ended up getting this same year just because I felt like I needed a few extra things on the tree because it looked a little empty, and I ended up getting them last minute. So I got a great deal on them. I'll put the link below. I don't know if they still have them available or if they'll have them next year, but at least I'll have the link for you just in case. So I'm removing all of the delicate ornaments off first and placing them in the small little Christmas box. And then I'm removing the larger ornaments from the bottom, working my way to the middle, medium ones, and the top small ones, so that when I come back to decorate the tree next year, they already are in order and I can start from the top and work my way down from smallest to largest. Now let's sit back and enjoy a little music while I finish up the rest of the tree. I just want to talk about this bow real quick. I always have the hardest time trying to find a star for the tree. I'm super picky, so I ended up just having the spare ribbon and made my own bow for the tree topper with this bell and greenery that's at the top of it that I got at Michael's. I felt like it was just more personal with the bow, so we kept it like that. So in the middle of my cleaning, little Rosa woke up from her nap and wanted a little attention. So I just wanted to talk with her and rock her. This is real life, so this is what moms do. We got to stop what we're doing and tend to the babies. Just calming her down, settling her before I put her back down to play while I finish up the routine. These little boxes are so cute. I use them every year. I've gotten them from my mother. I'm not sure where she got them from. I think they were actually a gift, but they're so convenient because they stack inside each other and it's perfect for storage. This tree skirt was definitely a win for me. I was looking everywhere for it. I was having a very hard time finding something like this, but I found it at Michael's. It was originally $30, but I got it 40% off, so definitely won with that purchase. Okay, now that that's sealed and set away, ready to go into the garage, I'm going to clear out this area a little bit because I am going to move our Christmas tree to the backyard so my husband can take it out to bulk trash when that day comes around. But for now, we'll just keep it in the backyard. And we do have a real tree, so that's why we're putting it in the backyard. I love real trees. They smell divine. They do make some mess, but it was a little tree, so it wasn't bad. It worked out fine for us. And as I'm moving this furniture around, I'm noticing there's some mess back there, so I'm going to be cleaning that up and vacuuming after I move the tree. It'll give me a chance to get a little bit of deep cleaning there. Alright guys, so I came to Joann Fabrics for some inspiration for the girls' play area, and let me tell you, I mean, look at these things that they have. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at the color stories, the natural and wood and plants incorporated. This is my jam. This color story is my jam. This is all me. It was so hard for me to not take everything. Plus, everything was on sale. I mean, come on. I had to stay focused, guys. I truly had to stay focused. Look at this. Look at this. This right here is awesome. I mean, it's so inspiring, peaceful, homey, all of the above. But I did end up choosing something, and I'll show you at the end. The Amazon Prime truck came, and I'm ready to go. So excited to open up my packages. Here we go, guys. Dump it this way. All right. Perfect. Yes. Comes in a nice package. so you can take it on the go. It goes like this. And you can take it with you on trips. If you're camping, I guess. It's a teepee, and I got beige to match my decor. It's very nicely packed. Look at that. Look at that. This is not a paid sponsorship, guys. It's my honest opinion and showing you basically how it all went down. This is day 2 of the undecorate with me and redo of a play area. So I've gotten the floor all cleaned. I've got my supplies, and I've got hubby here to help. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Out too. Layla too. Bing bong.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, you will be happy."
Just came from taking the baby for a walk, and look what came, my package. So excited to show you guys the finished product.